elbows. How fast can you shake it? Put it on the nigga till his ass can't take it. How fast can you shake it? Put it on the nigga till his ass can't take it. How fast can you shake it? Put it on the nigga till his ass can't take it. Bend over, make your knee touch your elbows. Stop playing, girl, shake that shit. Stop playing, girl, shake that shit. Wiggle that ass, make it shake like jello. 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 Wiggle that, wiggle that, wiggle, wiggle that, wiggle that, wiggle, wiggle that, wiggle that, wiggle, wiggle that, wiggle that, wiggle.
Yeah, what's up? Got Forza here. Shout out to Mongolia. Keep working hard. And we got the Mongolia dancers here. Woo!
I counted all the days till you would come back. How stupid was that? Now you're missing what we used to have. Guess the vodka brought the feeling back. I was caught up in the aftermath. But now, if you really wanna know, how many nights I've been thinking of you. Zero, zero. Gave 100%, but all I got from you. Zero, zero. I thought you were the one, then you turned to run. Found somebody better, like I never met you. How many nights I've been thinking of you. Zero, zero. That's how many fucks I give. Wake up with a dime.
This is my family, my mom and dad, representing.
And for Revolution Dance Crew.
GB Dance Crew!
Yeah, see you soon.
Hi Mongolia dancers, I'm Dylan. Keep dancing always and hope to see you soon.
Try it again. Oh yeah. Hey guys, it's Molly Gray. Just want to say hey to Amber Solution and GB Crew. See you soon.
안녕하세요. 몽골리안 댄스 분들. 저는 리아킴입니다. 저희 원민은 너무 많이 사랑해주시고요. 지금까지 사랑해주셔서 너무 감사드리고 저희 더 열심히 활동하도록 하겠습니다. 감사합니다.
Yeah, just want to give a shout out to Mongolian dancers. Keep doing your thing and keep representing where you're from. Peace. Thank you for awesome.
Shout out to guys, they're from Mongolia. Everyone in Mongolia. Shout out to these guys. Shout out to you. Shout out to Daniel.
Daniel Jerome, shout out to the Mongolian dancers.
Okay. Thank you.
Daniel Jerome here. I just want to tell all the Mongolian dancers to just keep dancing, keep doing what y'all doing. It's cool to see Mongolian dancers and dancers everywhere, so I just want y'all to never give up. Yeah, just have fun with dance. It's really important and big part of my life and your guys' life, so keep it up.
What's up, guys?
Now this is Ellie Kane representing the Mongolia. My crew is GB Dance Crew and
for Revolution!
Yay, see you soon.
Hey everyone from Mongolia, thank you so much for all your love and support. I really hope I get to meet you all someday. And thank you for all your hard work and keep dancing, keep pushing, and keep discovering more about dancing. Yeah, I can't wait to meet you all someday. Thank you. See you soon.
Maybe we see you soon.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
몽골 댄서분들 절대 포기하지 마시고 킵 댄싱 하시기 바랍니다. 파이팅!
자, 여러분 열심히 노력하시면 얼마든지 좋은 댄스, 좀 더 멋있는 모습 보여줄 수 있으니까 여러분도 최대한 열심히 그리고 노력해서 더 멋있는 분들이 될 수 있습니다.
Oh, hey, what's up? I didn't see you there. But since you're there, I'd like to give a shout out to Team Mongolia, Warm welcomes from Snow Globe and Soul Dance. Thank you. See you soon.
Shout out to the people of Mongolia. Hi.
Here to teach this piece because it's like you like make stuff up in your room. You like choreograph in your room, and you listen to music and you're like, and you get done with it and you're like, yeah, I think that's good. But then sometimes you teach it and people are like, ugh. You know what I mean? So I'm always scared to teach this because I don't know what it is. But you guys did so good today, and I want to say thank you so much for that.
You guys are talented. You see each other like I can't even pick selective here. I can't pick selective because everyone is so good, right? Everyone is so strong.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, guys? I'm Mina, M4 Revolution,
Yeah.
and Jimmy
Dance Crew.
Yeah.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Dance, ain't gon' touch your phone. She gon' let it smoke me. She don't play. She my type. She got brains in them tats. She that day. Thank you. Dance, ain't gon' touch your phone. She gon' let it smoke me. Dance.
Oh, hey, what's up again?
Not just they friends, but with my dudes. Cause you look so fly and you look so cute. Can I make you what you wanna do? Yeah. She don't play, she my type. She got brains and I'm top. She that lady. She gon' dance, ain't gon' touch her phone. She gon' let this moment. She
Right here.